day viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to model a complex or modern heaped or gabled roof in Archicad. I'm using Archicad 2024 and you can see this heaped, also called gabled roof here, and you can see it has a roof vent. But in this video, we are going just to focus on how we can model this roof in this 3-bedroom. And I've also included a link where you can download a video where I model this 3-bedroom. So you can see here the other 2 bedrooms with the same roof. So let's start. So we're going to model this complex roof in this 3-bedroom. So you need to go to ground floor to see our plan view. So you can see in ground zero, I'm going to select my roof tool. Okay, and then you can see these options here. Make sure I pick the second option, geometry method. Then make sure I pick this second method, construction method, rectangular, heaped, or gable. Then double click on it, make sure I pick the first option. So we're going to start with the complex but longer way, and then I'm going to show you another shorter way on how you can model this roof. So I just drag it from that point to that point. Then I select, click here. Then you see this option that pops up. Then I select add to polygon, that one with plus. Then I'm going to add to polygon from here and drag it to that point to cover my veranda. Then you can see the bedroom is not covered entirely, so I'm going to click here, add to polygon, and then I will cover my bedroom and washroom. So I will drag it from here, from that point to that point. Okay. Then you can see the backyard is also not covered, so I'll select my roof, click there, then add to polygon, drag it to cover my backyard up to there. Alright, so I will now need to subtract. As you can see, my master bedroom is a bit wider, and the washroom is a bit inside. So I will click here, subtract from polygon. So check that, and then I'll subtract from this point. I'll subtract from here. Drag it to that point. Again, I will subtract again. So click there, subtract from polygon, drag it up to there. So you can see I've finished to model this roof, and I've used the longer but a way which will enable you to learn more ways on complex roofs in Archicad. As you can see, this review how this roof is beautiful. And I'm sure you have encountered houses with this design. So that is how you model it in Archicad. So I'm going to show you now the shorter way, which will enable you to work faster. So I'm just going to drag a copy. Okay, then I will delete this roof so that we can model it again. I will check my roof tool. Make sure I check the first option now, construction method with complex roofs. See, right? So now this one you model like a polygon by just dragging from corner to corner back to the beginning point. So like that. Then you will realize we have come up to the same shape of roof, but we have model it in different styles. So I'm going to draw this like a polygon from the corners of my 3-bedroom house. And in the meantime, you can see these concept of a 3-bedroom is a very common concept. And actually, so you can see now our roof are still similar. So you can see they are I can say twin because they are similar. Now, in my next video, I will show you how you are going to do this roof vent or Dutch roof in Archicad. So you can consider to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And also, so thanks. I will see you in my next video.